Good day, mates. Today, we are diving into the iconic 1970 Mercury Cougar, a true classic that's sure to rev up any car enthusiast's engine. Picture this: sleek lines, a powerful V8 engine, and a design that screams style and sophistication. The Cougar was a standout in the muscle car scene of the 70s, offering a perfect blend of performance and luxury. Under the hood, you'd find options like the 428 Cobra jet engine, delivering a thunderous roar and heart-pounding acceleration. This beast was built for speed, with handling that could take on any twisty road with ease. The Cougar was not just a showstopper, it was a performer through and through. Step inside, and you'd be greeted by a cockpit designed for comfort and class. Plush seats, a sporty steering wheel, and a dashboard that exuded retro charm. The attention to detail in the interior of the 1970 Cougar was second to none, making every drive a truly luxurious experience. But it wasn't just about looks and power. The Cougar was ahead of its time in terms of safety features. With options like front disc brakes and improved suspension, this car was not just about speed but also about keeping you safe on the road. The 1970 Mercury Cougar wasn't just a car, it was a statement. A symbol of an era where style and performance went hand in hand. Whether you were cruising down the highway or tearing up the racetrack, the Cougar was a force to be reckoned with. So, there you have it, mates. The 1970 Mercury Cougar, a timeless classic that continues to turn heads and capture hearts to this day. Cheers to the Cougar, a true legend of the road.